Dear students, today we will read a story from your Radiant Way book. The story name is The Pied Piper. It is a long narrative poem which is written by English famous poet Robert Browning. Look at the picture. This is the picture of Robert Browning. He is a famous English poet. The story name is The Pied Piper. Pied means a person who entices others to follow him. Entice means tempt others বা প্রলোভন দেখায়. Piper means a person who plays music on a pipe. In the story we will see that the Pied Piper entices the rats to follow him by playing music. Later we will see he entices the children of the town to follow him by playing music. It's a nice story. Let's start. About 500 years ago, a town called Hamelin, that is, the town's name was Hamelin, across the North Sea was overrun with rats. That is, the town was spread over with rats, and the town was across the North Sea. Across means from one side to other side. Look at, that is North Sea. So look at from the other side of the North Sea. Maybe Hamelin town was near Germany. Maybe it was situated near Germany. The rats were so big that they used to fight the dogs and kill the cats and bite the babies in their cradles. Cradles means baby's bed. That means the rats bite the babies in their beds. At last, all the people came to the town hall to see the mayor, who was the chief man of the town. That means chief man means the leader of the town. The mayor was the leader of the town, and the people of the town came to the leader to solve the problem. They begged him, that is, they requested him to do something to rid them of the rats. Rid means to be free. That means the people wanted be free of the rats. The next day, the mayor held a meeting. The mayor called a meeting, and as he and his friends were wondering what to do, they were in trouble what to do. That time a tall man came. His square, long coat from heel to head, that is from heel to head, that is from top to bottom, he wear a long coat, and the coat was very strange. Square means strange. Was half of yellow and half of red. His coat was half of yellow and half of red colored. He went up to the table. That is, he closed He went up close to the table and said, I can rid your town of rats if you will pay me 1,000 pieces of gold. That means the man demanded 1,000 pieces of gold, then he will make the town free from rats. We shall be glad to give you much more than that to be rid of the rats, said the mayor. The mayor told him that he will be very glad if the town will be free from the rats, and he will easily give him 1,000 pieces of gold. Not only 1,000 pieces of gold, he wanted to give him more than that. The tall man took the pipe which was hanging on his scarf. That is, the pipe was hanging on his scarf, and he took the pipe and stepping into the street and began to play a tune. Out of the houses danced the rats. That is, all the rats came out from the houses. Father rats, mother rats, baby rats, all skipping behind the piper until they came to the river. All the rats dived headlong, that is, they jumped into the water. Dive means jumped into the water, and were drowned, that is, went into the water. They went into the water. Only one managed. Managed means one succeed to survive. One succeed to survive, to swim across to the other side. One managed to swim across to the other side. The people were so glad to be rid of the rats. They were very glad to be rid, that is, to be free of the rats, that they rang the church bells. They were so happy and they rang the church bells. Okay, students, today up to this. Look at here word meaning. Across, from one side to the other side. Over, overrun means spread over in large number. Cradle means a baby's bed. Chief man, leader or ruler of people. Wondering, that means curious. Desire to know. Queer means strange. Step means short movement. Skip means to move forwards. Dive, to jump into water. Managed, succeed in surviving. Thank you, students.